Okay, 2024 Range Rover full size. It is for Mr. One Love TO, Mr. T-Rex OVO. This is gonna be coming anytime now, probably the next hour. We're gonna cover this up and let's do this reveal.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, you do fly. I need that work too. Hold on, I'm gonna do it like this and then I'm gonna turn around.
All right, you guys ready? All right, let's go.
Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Okay, 2024 Range Rover full size hybrid. That's why it has two gas caps. Yeah, so they have the gas cap on both sides. Well, sorry, the electric cap on one side and then the gas cap on the other side. I tripped when I first saw it. I was like, wait, why is there two caps? It is for Mr. One Love TO, Mr. T-Rex OVO. He is on eTalk. I'm sure you guys seen him around many times. He's at all the big events. He does interviews for all the biggest celebrities. So he hit us up. You know, a couple of the OVO guys said where the shop to go to. So he came, he's seen me, and he came to us and he fell in love with the shop. He loved the vibe, he loved the energy. You know, we always make sure that we're high energy here, no matter what. And you make sure that a customer feels comfortable when they're at our location. So he was comfortable and we set him up. We actually got him in right away. It was not even a week. I think less than a week, half a week. We got him in. Yeah, like we saw him on Friday last week. He came in like midweek and it's already done. So it came in. What color was this? Is it black? I forget if it's black or gray. Yeah, I don't remember. Damn, the key is somewhere else. Where's the key? No, the key's on the top. What Range Rover is this? Oh, that's the Sport. Outside. Okay. Yeah, I thought this would have had like keyless entry or something. Black. Yeah. It's black. It's black. I forgot. So many damn cars we're doing here. It's like a glossy. Bro, I'm so stupid.
Oh yeah,
it's at the top.
Yeah.
There you go. It's like a metallic black. Okay. Metallic black with. Let me show you the interior. Beautiful white interior. We detailed it. Got it looking fresh. We tinted it all the way around. Presidential 5% limo tint on the side, 35% on the windshield. Even though we tinted it with limo, you can still kind of see it right now. The light is coming in through the window. Yeah, it's always at this time we film. So you can still kind of see the interior because it has that light ivory color. So it doesn't make the interior dark. So anytime you have a light interior, it doesn't matter how dark you go, you're still gonna be able to see in pretty much, unless you go like double limo, maybe even go 20% on the windshield. So rims, we repaired. There was curb rash all over them. Repaired it, did them in this beautiful high gloss black finish. I did our signature gloss black reflector delete. So we did gloss black PPF along the entire side here, and then I put clear PPF on top. So that's the way I usually like doing it. It makes it feel like an OEM headlight. You know, you don't see film outside of it where you'll see like a sharp like line where you'll get dirt. So this way, at least, so you put it underneath, you put the whole clear on top and you seal it to the edge, and then that's it. No dirt, it won't ever lift, nothing. We also did brand new badges from Range Rover, painted them, put the adhesive on it. We painted the grille, painted the lower diffuser here. So this was all gray before, like a light gray. This had gray and black mix, so we want to go all black. So black, black. We did the centerpiece that was gray before in the satin to match the body, just give it some sort of contrast with the gloss surrounding. And then, but like that headlight looks beautiful like that Euro spec style. Wrapped this in gloss black, did the center in satin black, and then we ceramic coated it, of course, with a 6-year package on the full exterior. All the new Range Rovers, they look like that. I know, I think you asked me on the last one too, but they have that naturally blacked out look, which is pretty dope. And honestly, if you get pulled over by a cop, you know, you gotta be like, hey, listen, it's factory, and pull it up on the internet because they can't give you a ticket for a tinted taillight. We went with the same look that we did the other one, where we got rid of the black. This was dark gray. This was already gloss black, but we did it where it's all body color to match, and it just makes it look, I don't know, I think it looks meaner like this. A lot of the guys that rap in the States, they do it like that too. It looks a lot cleaner. And yeah, so Mr. T-Rex is gonna be coming anytime now, probably the next hour. We're gonna cover this up and let's do this reveal.
On a fresh fade.
I told you, bro. Fridays.
Should have known.
Fridays, bro. When the lights come on.
That's hard.
Right? You didn't even
That's
see.
so
You didn't even
hard.
see. You didn't even see it.
I didn't even take in that was the Vigs. Holy. That did not even take in.
Okay, come. Let's
Okay.
do this. Let's do this.
Holy sh. Holy.
How quick do we get this done, bro?
It's wild that it's already done. It's actually wild.
You good?
Yes, sir.
So, I mean, the expectations. Would you know?
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, you do fly. I need that work too. Oh, late.
You came to us, so you know we definitely had to deliver.
Yeah, no.
You
Obviously,
know, you're an icon in the city too, so we had to make sure it was done
appreciate
right,
you.
you know?
Appreciate you. Hey, guess what? You're an icon in the city too, so
I
we
appreciate
motivate
that.
each other.
I
Let's get
appreciate
it.
that, bro. That's it. We got lots more to cook up.
Oh man, I can
Let's
see
open
the
this
little shark and
You can
tails.
see the shark tail and everything. All right, ready?
Yeah.
You wanna go from the back or?
Yeah, yank it from the back.
Yeah, let's get from the back.
Pause.
Hold it up.
Hold on, I'm gonna do it like this and then I'm gonna turn around.
All right, ready? We'll just pull it. All right, you guys ready? All right, let's go.
Oh, you gotta be kidding. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Crazy, right? Come on, man. This is how we do it, brother. Whole different whip, bro. Come on. Whole different whip. It doesn't even look like the same car. Right? It is the same car. Like he's confused, bro.
That's crazy.
You like the accents with the gloss?
100%.
How crazy does the front headlights look?
Yo.
It's that simple touch of that orange corner that was right here that we got
Yeah.
rid of, and it made it look like the Euro spec. Because we don't put nothing on here. This is clear.
Look at this.
Yeah, bro. Gloss black. Lower diffuser, took off, painted gloss black. We did this, that was gray. We matched it to the body, satin black. Gloss black wheels. We did gloss black here for that shark fin. Did satin in the middle, because that was like two-tone here before, right?
Yeah.
Presidential tint, limo all the way around. 35 windshield. I ceramic coated it, so the water just literally falls off of it. We detailed the interior too, fully shampooed it. So your roof, obviously, because it's black, we left that gloss so that it has that two-tone accent. And then the lower part, I gave it a different contrast with the satin on the bottom, because you have gloss here that flows right through the side.
Yeah, that's hard.
Crazy, right? And then remember I was telling you how we get rid of this gloss, go body color, and go body color. Just, it looks so much more meaner. He's speechless, man.
Yo, well, let me tell you something. I speak for a living, so if I have nothing to say, that means I'm stumped. Nah, this actually doesn't even look like my truck.
So
I'm gonna have to get used to it.
Stuff, so we polish it out, and you know, because before we ceramic coat, we wanted it to look perfect. So even with the windshield, so it looks, even though you have tints on the windshield, because the interior is light, you can still see through. So you know, I don't think you'll get bothered with this. Crazy.
This is a bad boy. Yo, it's so crazy though. And then,
you see the body lines more now, right?
Yeah.
It's a very bubbly car.
yeah.
Because the previous gens were very sharp. You see the other Range Rovers outside?
Yeah.
Has more of that like aggressive, sharp line. This, when they made this, it was more bubbly.
Yo, I have this toy that I got when I was in London with Range Rover. I flew out to London with Range Rover, JLR Canada, and they gave us, when we got to our hotel rooms, they gave us these toys.
The actual like a die-cast model.
And now it looks like the toy itself. I can't wait till my girls see it.
Yeah, 100%.
Because I never told my lady or my daughter.
Oh, so no, it's just gonna be a surprise.
They think I went to get the brakes done.
Yeah,
like,
I see that. It says change your brakes.
Like, why is it taking so long to change the brakes? What's going on over there? Yo, that's hot. I would come out of the store and walk past the whip. Yo, look at it from this angle. Oh, man.
So aggressive, right?
Oh, man. Now that's sexy. This is crazy.
Yeah.
Let me see something flash a light. Let me see that. Mud.
Let me turn on the light so you can see it. Hold on.
Oh, peace. This is craziness.
See? Now you see it with the lights.
That's wild.
Rude.
Okay.
I would just drive with no plates. That's how we drive. That's how we drive our cars, like it's New York or like LA. You know, they drive with just their vanity plates from their shops.
I know that.
Drive.
Yeah, I know that'd be.
You see, like Beverly Hills, they just drive with like RDB plates or like platinum. Those are the guys those are the big guys in LA.
You see that all the time.
Yeah, they just drive with their plates. I drive with this. On the street, we go downtown. We got stopped by cops. They didn't even say anything. Remember that day with the Tesla?
For the plate,
Is it flipped?
it's way back. It's like here.
Oh, shit. Yeah, we had the Cybertruck. We had it on and they
What do
didn't
you
say
say?
it. And they pulled over the biker that was with us that was from Italy behind us.
What are you talking about? What?
Then all the madmen are gonna see it today. The boys gonna see it. It's Champagne Poppy's birthday. Everyone's gonna see this car
Holy.
today. It's gonna be crazy, bro.
It's not even my birthday. Yeah, this is nuts, bro. You guys crushed it. You guys do good work, and like, what, within like.
Yeah, the time frame got you in right away. I think you came to Friday. I took it, what, Monday? Or something like that. It was like a couple days later. He's still shocked, bro.
This looks crazy, no? Yeah, I'm very, very happy.
I was showing him what I showed him. Add a little bit more to that. Look at that. So I can separate them, and then if I want to bring them back, look, watch, I'll bring it back, I'll connect it. Look at that.
Look at this, gone. That's wild.
It won't even stick. Actually, I guess I don't really show it, yeah.
That's
Even
sick.
your windshield, like, bro, you're gonna barely use your wipers. Crazy. I was showing him the ceramic, and I moved the bubble of water around, I separated, and then I connected it back. He's tripping.
Yeah, that's fire.
With just the LEDs, it looks sick. All right, get him on the angle with the art of motion too. Yeah, I'm gonna hop in there with him quick.
Yeah, get in here. Yo.
My guy.
Yo, come on. Look at my whip, bro. Come on.
Crazy.
Yeah. Sheesh.
Crazy.
Okay. Oh my God.
The collaborations keep happening.
Yo, Harv, look at that, eh?
My guy seen Harv is like, that's it. We're gonna lay it down.
Yo, this looks like the toy. I can't wait to go home and get the toy from my.
Is that one satin black as well?
Yo, I guess so. I didn't even.
Oh,
like,
they
look,
call it frozen black.
I didn't even. You know what I mean?
They call it frozen black. Yeah, yeah. Take the put the kill switch off first. Oh, you did? Okay. You're neutral. You're neutral. You're good. Crazy, eh?
So you're driving tonight?
I might take this tonight. Yeah. I'm going to Raptors game, so all other toys, everything else is parked now. It's winter pretty much. You know, I got to take my Impala home. The shifter, bro. When you're driving, that was one of the best modifications. I swear to God. But you cannot, like, you're going sideways in fourth, like on the highway. You squawk fourth, and the car is going like. They call it a widowmaker, bro. Yeah. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, give her a full rev. You should be good. Nah, like. There you go.
Oh. That's crazy. I don't want nothing to do with that. That's I was cruising.
My thing.
Glossy.
Gloss and then
Gloss.
satin, yeah. With the contrast, it just
Gloss.
flows. I didn't realize because because the hybrid, it has that battery. You see the battery underneath it. Usually you don't see that.
Where?
The battery pack is underneath the car.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's my favorite. My favorite part of this range is that I don't use no gas.
You use a lot of the electric side on this?
What?
Yeah?
Bro, I'll have a tank of gas for 2 months.
Really?
On
How often do you
average.
charge it?
I charge it every day when I go home. As soon as it's just by habit. Even this week when I had the rolls,
Yeah.
I'll get out the rolls and go to the charger and I'm like,
How many kilometers you get on it?
90.
9?
90.
Oh, 90.
Yeah.
With the electric.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay.
That's alone.
But that's enough for you to go to work, come back.
Remember, you could also play it smart and put it in hybrid,
Yeah, so it's
where the
half and
computer
half.
just goes, it's not even half and half, it'll just,
Whenever it feels like not
it'll
enough
pull,
gas.
like there's
Yeah,
enough
yeah.
technology for it to pull, so.
Yeah. Local traffic, you should be able to get away, like even highway cruising. Whole different car. Wait till nighttime. Nighttime's gonna be a movie, bro. With the street lights hitting it,